Hi everyone. So today this video I will explain you how you can configure WSO2 Secure Vault in EI. So this WSO2 Secure Vault is what? So this is basically we are using for encrypting our secrets and encrypting our password. And there's some certain configuration is required to modify in WSO2 EI product, and that command also cipher-tool command we will use for configure this encrypted password. So let's start how we can do that one. So before that, let me show you few options. Like this is EI. So in EI, if you little bit scroll down, there is one manage password is there, secure vault tool and manage password. Inside manage password, there is one option is here, add a new password to encrypt and store. If you click this one, it will give you one bold key password and re-enter the same password. So just for example, I am adding one name here. I just tried little bit before this example. So it's starting with payload key. It's not like mandatory you need to use this keyword or not. You can use your own custom keyword. Just for one demo purpose, I will show you here. Password, let me type your one name here. You can give any name as per your convenient name. This is one for demo activity, okay. So let me add. After adding this one, it is showing what? Failed to load security key store information and need to follow this WSO2 document. So if you go through log, EI log, let me scroll up. It is showing what? Either configuration property cannot be loaded, and one more here it is showing either configuration cannot be loaded, no secret repository has been configured. And they are saying what? Failed to load security key information, configure secret-conf.properties file. So if you go through this file, this is our local machine. In EI 6.0, there is one configuration directory here. Inside configuration directory, there is one folder, security folder. So as per the log, it is showing need to modify this or need to verify the configuration in secret-conf.property file. So we'll before starting this one, kindly let me show you. Like this is my channel, so beyond doubt. Those who are watching newly or any existing subscriber, kindly share this channel to your friends and colleagues. So it will be helpful for them to understand this product features and the use of this product. I already upload 17 part of this video. I hope those who complete this series, it will helpful for them to develop your own API by yourself. So without wasting any time, let's start this configuration changes and how we will configure WSO2 Secure Vault in EI. Let's start. So first of all, you need to do what? I created one repository with my own custom repository. There is one repository name here, you could see Secure Vault WSO2. I will add also this link in description box. You can go through that one. So this video, I already upload few files: secure configuration property file, configure security vault file, and carbon property file. So this secret conf property file, I added a few working configuration which is required to configure in secret conf property file. So let me show you the existing one. So if I open this one, so for initially starting of this product, all are commented only. So these are some commented line, they are asking to modify as per our store and other property file name. So without any wasting your time, let me I prepared one configuration. Simply copy this file from this git directory and go through your file. Let me add this configuration here and save this file. So this is we did for a secret configuration property. We need to do one more check in cipher-text. There is one more file is there, cipher-text. If you open this one, so here you can see the keystore password and the keystore key password and the trust store password and admin user password, and here is data store password. These are this file basically used for storing all kind of password. Okay, so nothing need to do for cipher-text property file. Only you guys need to modify secret-conf property file and one more file is there. If you one folder back, configuration file, there is one carbon property file is here. Okay, if you open this carbon property file, the initial step of this product, like it is like cipher transformation. Okay, so if you go through this repository, I added one carbon property. This is one additional features about your validation of your password. Okay, so I added one more field here, secure world password rejects. Like if you want to allow only within this interval password, you can try that one, or if you want to increase more than that, or if you are adding any special character, small letter, capital letter, that kind of thing, just try this configuration. Let me add this configuration in here. It's not mandatory, it's optional. It depends on you want to use or not. It's one validation of your password. Okay, so now what we did, we modified in secret property file, we modified in cipher-text. There is no changes in cipher-text property file. Okay, and one more change we did for carbon property file. Now we need to do what? After modify this file system, let me save all this. Make sure you save all the file configuration. There is no impact like conflict in while you are starting up this product. Now this is done. What we need to do after modifying this file system, we need to restart EI. So I'm suggesting like just skip this restart part, because it will take some time to start the product. Okay, I'm already stopped my product. Okay, so here you can see at the last, if you see halting JVM, that means EI already stopped. So here you can see the refuse to connect, so it's already down. Now we need to do what? After did this much of thing, I added one more configuration here. If you go through my repository again, there is one configure secure world. If you click this text file, right, there is one option is here. I added one command /cipher-text-tool configure. Now we need to do what? We need to configure this secure world as an encrypted password. So let me copy this file, copy this command, go through the terminal again, paste here. Let me recopy again, maybe it's not copied. Right click, copy and paste here. If I execute this one, it is showing what? Encrypting using internal keystore, and it is showing it's encrypting what? WSO2 carbon.jks file. Please enter the internal keystore password or carbon password. So what you need to do, I think already I explained, like if you go through this security folder and cipher-text, let me edit this one. The password always remember WSO2 carbon. So we need to use here WSO2 carbon. If I hit enter, it is showing what? These all are files are affected. Like if you see this highlighted files, right? User management XML, carbon XML, and this keystore password, carbon XML file, and master data source XML file. These all are affected by executing this command. Okay, at the last you can see secret configuration are written to the property file successfully. So what this mean? Like if you go through your your folder again, there is a file, security configuration file. If I right click and edit again, so it's already opened. So if I click yes, so if I scroll up, right, here you can see by default it is adding one location here, and it's modifying your file location, and it's adding one secret repository and secure world enabled. So these are like some predefined files. It's added by the product itself. Nothing need to do by yourself. This is secret configuration property. Second one is cipher-text. So if you see here, the earlier one was it's a plain text. So this configuration, after executing the deconfigure command, it is modifying your password as an encrypted password. So make sure like you are verifying this all thing, and this there is no much more change in carbon.property file. Now we need to do what? We need to restart our product again. Let's execute the start command. So it will take some time to start the product. Kindly skip this part. So now it is showing what? Enter keystore and private password. So here what we need to use? We need to use the same WSO2 carbon So after executing this password, our product has been started. So it will take some time to complete all the service of, then we can check the portal. So now the product has already been started with all the process, and the last you can see management console URL also we are getting. That means already product started. Let's verify. We go through browser again, remove this endpoint, and I refresh this UI again. So it will take few seconds to load WSO2 EI UI. Let's wait for that much time. So now you can see it's already we can able to get the login page. Let me re-enter the password. So after login, let me scroll down. Here you can see manage password. Click again. Now retry the same process again. Let me, already it's there. Let me type here my name again. It depends on you, like what kind of field and what kind of password you want to use, but make sure you are using the same password with both places. Let me add it again. So now it is showing what we can able to payload key.name. We are able to add any encrypted password, add any secure world key in WSO2 EI. So hope it's helpful for everyone, like they have some idea like how they can configure secure world in WSO2 EI. So next video I'll show you how we can use this secure world key to iterate our flow, and we'll automate our WSO2 EI flow by using WSO2 EI ESB car file. So hope this is helpful for everyone. So those who are watching my video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, and kindly share this channel to your colleagues, so it will helpful and motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.